Imagine a world without computers, GPS, or even basic math classes. Hard, right? But what if I told you that much of our modern world owes its existence to a brilliant mind from over 1,000 years ago? This is the story of Al-Khwarizmi, the man who revolutionized mathematics and changed the course of history. Al-Khwarizmi, born around 780 AD in the heart of the Islamic Golden Age, was a Persian mathematician, astronomer, and scholar. He worked at the House of Wisdom in Baghdad, a renowned center of learning that attracted some of the greatest minds of the time. But what made Al-Khwarizmi so special? What set him apart? Al-Khwarizmi is best known for his monumental contributions to the field of mathematics. He wrote a book called Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal Muqabala, or the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing. Sound familiar? This book laid the foundations for algebra. Yes, the subject that students still study today. The very word algebra comes from the Arabic term al-Jabr, meaning reunion of broken parts. Before Al-Khwarizmi, mathematics was largely about geometry and numbers, but he introduced the concept of solving linear and quadratic equations through abstract symbols, essentially the language of algebra. This allowed mathematicians to solve problems more systematically, and his work provided a blueprint for generations to come. But Al-Khwarizmi's genius didn't stop at algebra. He also introduced what we now call algorithms. In fact, the word algorithm comes from the Latinization of his name. His methods for solving complex mathematical problems are the very basis of how computers process information today. From navigating your car with GPS to encrypting data online, Al-Khwarizmi's influence is all around us. Al-Khwarizmi was also a pioneer in geography. He refined the work of earlier scholars and created more accurate world maps, contributing significantly to the field of cartography. His maps and geographical calculations were instrumental for centuries. It's incredible to think that one man, working over a millennium ago, could have such a profound impact on fields ranging from mathematics and geography to technology and science. But Al-Khwarizmi's legacy goes beyond his technical contributions. He represents the power of human curiosity, the drive to understand the world around us, and the capacity for knowledge to transcend time and culture. So, the next time you solve an equation or use a GPS, remember, the legacy of Al-Khwarizmi lives on in every algorithm, every calculation, and every discovery we make. 1,000 years later, his work still shapes our modern world. From the father of algebra to the origins of algorithms, Al-Khwarizmi's story is a reminder of how one person can change the world forever. If you enjoyed learning about Al-Khwarizmi and his lasting impact, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more stories.